Hi, Leah Chamberlain with Rinnai. I'm just in front of our Sensei tankless unit, and what I have here is a concentric vent kit. This is a 2-4 representing 2 inches to 4 inches. The inside is your exhaust. The outside is actually your intake, and it's all built into one. So you just need one hole in the wall, and this is going to be shown as a horizontal wall termination, and it's simply just by taking off the adapter that's on there. There's typically a screw right here. You take that out and plug that in. Make sure your screw's in there, and then this here would be extending through the wall out to the outside. This would be ideally your width of your wall, and that is the only part showing on the exterior of the wall, no white showing, and a slight slope towards the unit to make sure that condensate is going back into the unit. So there you have it, a 2-4 concentric venting, a single hole in your wall, very easy to install.